Dave's up here welding all this stuff. It's got a feed wagon, something. Yeah, but got that welded up, and down here and here, and back in there. This was all broken out. So we've put a new piece of metal in here because the tire was scraping on it. Poured it in and up some. Got a new tongue here, welded up. Got those sides, that side filled in. Front of the pipes welded up. Same with over here. I didn't chip the slag out of that part. Do like a 6011 root down the bottom. I'm gonna get that little groove started because that was a pain. I'd only brought 3/32 7018. And then I got two new pieces on here. So since there's like a little gap here, used 6011. Since there wasn't any 6010, I whipped that back and forth to weld those on. So that took a while. That was fun.